Meaning of habeas corpus.
Habeas corpus.
Habeas corpus.
Habeas corpus.
Habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a legal term that means you must have the body. It is a legal right that protects individuals from being detained or imprisoned without sufficient cause or evidence. The writ of habeas corpus can be used to challenge the legality of a person's imprisonment, and it allows a court to order that a prisoner be released if their detention is found to be unlawful. In essence, habeas corpus is a safeguard against arbitrary detention and a cornerstone of individual liberty and the rule of law in many countries.